This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Sahel Naimi. Choose your interior and exterior. This 1.5-story home is under construction with an estimated completion date of April 30, 2021. Beautiful timber grove floor plan with 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths on the main level. 3rd bedroom and 1 full bath upstairs with optional loft. Great room with fireplace is open to dining area and kitchen. Utility room opens to master bath and hallway off of 2nd bedroom. Mud room from garage opens to kitchen. Engineered hardwoods in the living area downstairs, carpet in bedrooms, tile in all baths. Lawn maintenance is included in HOA fees along with Clubhouse and Pool. Annualized HOA fee is billed in January and payable by March 31st. Buyer to verify square footage. For more